Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching from at this moment. In today's video I'm going to show you what I consider to be the ultimate text to speech AI generator. Best of all, this particular AI tool is free to use and it's very easy to use. The interface is user friendly, and of course the quality of what you get in the end is superb. That's why I call this the ultimate speech text to speech generator. My name is Joe, your tech handyman. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like the content, share, comment, and then turn on the notifications so that anytime I drop an amazing content like this one, you'll be the very first to know. Without further ado, let's get started right now. So guys, head over to Lovo. The URL is lovo.ai. So on here you can see AI's voice generator. You have realistic text to speech and voice cloning. It's hyper realistic AI's voice generator that captivates your audience. This is exactly what they're promising to offer. These are the sample voices that you can generate. They even have Santa Claus actually. So click on start now for free. Ensure you log in, or you sign up. Here you can see new project. You can click on either side of the new projects. When you click on it, it opens this new project panel. Here you have the simple mode where you have short single speaker voiceovers with basic functionalities. The next one is advanced mode where you have to create audio and full content with advanced features. But we are going to start off with the simple mode by clicking it and clicking on create. So in seconds it takes you right into this particular interface. Here you have the pronunciations. Once you click on it, this is where you are going to set the particular voice tone that you want to use. Here you have a whole lot the English, different versions of English, and then what you just need to do is to select the particular version of English you want. In this case I'm using my country, Nigeria, so I'm selecting that one. So once done, just click on check, remove that dialog box. So here the text that you want to turn to speech, I will just take out this one and paste in the one I want to use. Once done, and then you can click on the avatar to select the voice you want to use. These are the pro voice. You have to upgrade to the pro plan to use any of these voices. Now this one is the rapid voice. This is also the rapid voice, and the next one you have the global voice. You have quite a number. You have voice cloning, you have collectible voice, and the bookmark. So in this case I'm going to use this particular one, Arafa. So once done, click on generate. So once you click on generate, and then in a matter of seconds it's done. Arifa, let's play and see how it sounds like now.
In a world elite with chonics and uncertainties, it's crucial to reflect on the relevance of global change. Join us in this thought-provoking discussion as whether into we change matters, how it impacts our lives, and what we can do to promote harmony, cooperation, and unity on a global scale. These two are the key reasons we working together or patch is essential or a breakthrough and more secure uto.
So guys, that's actually a riff. I'm not sure I understand anything what was said, so I will change that to rapid voice. Then I'm going to use another voice, in this case Brian Lee Jr. So once that is selected, click on generate again to be able to generate the voice from the audio. Once I get here, just click play.
In a world filled with conflicts and uncertainties, it's crucial to reflect on the relevance of global peace. Join us in this thought-provoking discussion as we delve into why peace matters. How
I think this last one sounds more realistic, so you can try different types to see what you are able to get. So the pronunciation is what you use, and then you can check on emphasis to emphasize whatever you want to emphasize as the voice goes on, just like that. And then this is how it is done. So here, once you're satisfied with what you have, just click on download this particular icon to download it onto your system. So once downloaded onto your system, you go ahead and use it for whatever purpose you want to use. Now all the generations that you have will appear on this side of your screen. So guys, try it out and see what you can make. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next.